Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new, I am ℙ𝕣𝕠𝕕 and I am the eclectic herbalist. So, like always, it's been a minute. This time it was basically released, and also, I don't really like to film when I'm not wearing makeup. I look like an absolute plum, so I just haven't been wearing makeup. Anyways, my book, well, let me first, today I'm gonna explain where I've been. I have recorded this particular where I've been video 3 times. The first time it was an unboxing for a kind of draft copy of my book, but the whole unboxing filming was gone. Don't know what happened to it. The second time I did it, by the time I got to editing the video, my book had already released, so it was just kind of pointless. So I have here with me 7 copies for, one's for me, but the other 6 are for the ARCs and betas that actually got back to me. Yeah, exactly. Not many got back to me. Also, these are extra special. Oh, what's on me? These are extra special editions because there is a typo on the back cover, and which got fixed. The typo on the back cover got fixed the first week of release, but just recently, a lovely viewer or a lovely reviewer told me that there was a word spelt wrong multiple times. But I'm gonna do an unboxing and create a TikTok at the same time because all today I've really just been creating TikToks for the book. Oh, I'm down here now. So, alright, I was on my feet. Anyways, oh god. I don't think I'll need a knife. Oh, I might. Okay. Alright, so get my nice wifey out. Get out of my way! Oh my goodness. And there's that error right on the back. So glorious. God damn it, there's clothes back there in the middle of doing laundry. I didn't want it to stop there.
It came! It finally came! The big one.
It's so beautiful. Yeah, I've been making TikToks all day to get this. Because, I don't know. It's weird being an author and being on TikTok because, like, the readers don't want you there because they're doing their reviews there or whatever. But it's, like, the best way to advertise. Anyways, okay. So, this is my book. This is the Barnes & Noble Special Edition paperback copy. There is a Barnes & Noble Special Edition hardback. The special editions come with the bonus chapter at the end. Hermes. This one's gonna be mine because it already has like fingerprints all over it. Anyways, so the back actually does need to be fixed. I don't know why it looks like that. It's off center. And this is also off center. It's a little weird. So I have a, what is that? Oh, I don't know why it looked upside down. This is like a different color paper than my other one. Let me go grab my other 2 copies. I feel like, I guess it's the same. So this is, you can get this at Barnes & Noble, this copy, or this edition, but it's also available on Amazon. It does not have the special edition in it. This is the paperback. It just has the beautiful pomegranate. A lot of people have said it reminds them of Midnight Sun from Stephanie Meyer. And I will say, the moment I saw that cover, I was immediately agitated, pissed, we shall say, because from the moment that I started writing this 3 years ago, I knew I wanted a pomegranate on the cover, basically just like this. Then her cover comes out with a sliced pomegranate. So of course people are like, it looks like Twilight. I haven't finished reading Midnight Sun, but what does a pomegranate have to do with them as much as it does Persephone and Hades? Don't know. Anyways, I guess I'll have to figure it out. But this is the hardback cover. That's regular edition, no Hermes. Beautiful. This is all kind of battered already because it was on the couch at one point, but I am in the process of writing book 2, and so I've mapped everything out in that. So yes, one of these is my copies. I'm gonna get the hardback as well. Hardback and paperback and ebook on Amazon all have the bonus chapter. They all also have this same picture, just different colors. This one's like vaguely purple. I like it because the other one's kind of blue. The rest of these are going to the beta readers and the ARC reader that got back to me. One of them got back to me to tell me that she wouldn't be able to finish it or read through because she was going through some issues. Because she was kind enough to let me know that things were getting in the way, she wouldn't be able to complete it. She is still getting a free copy. Everyone else who just didn't even respond back, I don't know if you read it, so why would I send you a free copy? Anyways, they're so beautiful. Yeah, that's basically where I've been the last few months. I have been focusing on making sure that this copy was pristine, which it obviously isn't. There's an error in it. So I've been working on the book, and then I had release on the 15th and the 21st because Barnes & Noble released on the 21st, Amazon released on the 15th, and then we had Christmas and holidays and things like that. So it's actually been busy. I do have the December subscription box. Yeah, I do have December's. I haven't opened it yet because I've been waiting to film. Or actually, I did open it. I opened it just today and filmed. That kind of just sums up where I've been. I have published my first book. I am an indie author. If you would like to grab your copy, the links are down below. So if you would like to stick around for the Apothecary at Home unboxing for December and January coming up, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like and a comment. Again, I am doing a giveaway for that tea box I mentioned just a second ago, but leave a comment down below if you'd like to enter in that giveaway and I can enter you in. But I hope to get the next video out soon. I'm so sorry. But yeah, that is it. So I'm going to place my outro here because I already did it. Again, copies down below. Thank you. Bye.